Hi guys, welcome to SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to know about data types which we missed in our earlier videos. In this video, I am going to explain about these 6 data types. Let's see one by one. Data types are used to create fields. To create a field, you have to go to Object Manager and choose any object and fields and relationships and click New. This window will be opened. These are the data types which we are going to see today. Here in checkbox. Checkbox are rectangle box which helps to find true or false. Click next. Here you have to give some meaningful name for the field which you are going to create. This default value checked and checked. It means if you click checked, automatically at the time of doing a data entry, it will be checked. Now I will show you a checkbox in record page. Click new. This is the record data entry page. Here I can see external stuff checkbox. It is unchecked in default. If you click it, it gets checked. If you once again click it, it gets unchecked. This is a checkbox. And I will show you another page to show which is an already entered value. If you want to edit it, you have to click it and you can uncheck it and then you can save it. If it is an uneditable field, it cannot be edited. Now, currency data type. It is just a number field where it will show a dollar added with the number. Click next. Give some meaningful name in field label and give the length of the value which you are going to choose. In case only 3-digit value will be chosen, you have to give 3, and decimal values, if it is 2, you have to give 2. If it is not a decimal value, you just can give 0. And click save to create an object. I will show you how it will be visible in a record page. Here a dollar and value is already shown here. If for this particular salary field, I have given 100 as a default value. That's why it is showing explicitly. Now I will show you the salary field in entered value. You can see I have entered 1 lakh here. It will be showing in the American format. Then next data type. Date data type is help to just choose a date value. Click next. Here you have to give a meaningful name and you can choose a default value. If you give it as a today, it will give today's date. This is the data entry page. The date field will be seen like this. You have to choose any date. This calendar window will be opened at the time of clicking it. You have to choose some value as a date. And I will show you in the record page. This is the entered value. If you edit it, once again calendar window will be opened here and you can choose any other date and click save. Now next data type, date and time. It is just like date field but it will have time also. Click next. Same like date, you have to give some meaningful name in field label and you can give default value here. Here you can give now so that current date and time will be defaultly shown here. If you click save, new object will be created. This is date and time field in data entry page. Same like date, the calendar window will be opened here and you can choose any date. In time field, you have to choose any time format here. If you give some wrong record, it will throw error because maximum 60 seconds are there. If you give value like this, it will throw error. Similar to that, date field also, you can, if you edit the wrong value, it will throw error. Date and time is similar to date, but time will be added near date field. Let me show you how date and time field will be visible in record page. This is a date and time field. If you edit it, similarly how new record field is shown, likewise it will be showing 2 text box, one for date and another for time. Now we go to next data type, email data type. This data type used to store email ID in fields. It automatically validates email ID. You have to give some meaningful name in field name and just if you want to give some default value, you can give it here and save it. I will show you how it will be visible in data entry page. If you give some value which is not an email ID, it will throw error. You have to give email ID exactly. Yeah. I will show you email in record page. This is how it will be shown. If you click here, automatically mailbox will be opened so that you can send mail to the person. This is add a feature in Salesforce. Now we go to the next data type, geolocation. This data type used to store longitude and latitude of the geolocation. Click next. Similarly, you have to give some meaningful name for field name and you can assign default value here. Latitude and longitudes can be defined in decibel, so decibels can be given here. Let me show you in the data entry page. Present location is the geolocation data type where you have to give latitude and longitude. If you give some wrong value, it will throw error. It has to be between -90 to +90. Longitude. If you give wrong value in longitude, validation will be stopped at. It has to be between -180 to +180. Now I show you this geolocation in record page. 12,123 is longitude and latitude. So in this video, we explained about these 6 data types. We will see other data types in our next video. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.